Hey guys, I am Dr. Tim Harrigan. I want to chat with you for a minute about taking care of your body, okay? Which sounds cheesy. We all know we need to do this, and that's great. We all know we need to move better and eat healthier and think better. But I want to give you a quote first, and the quote is from Dr. Merkel. He says, "Do something today to be healthier than you were yesterday." Okay, every day we can do little things that are going to improve my health for tomorrow. You have to take care of number one. A lot of people think this is selfish. Going to the gym, I have to take time out of my kid's life or my wife's life and go to the gym and work out, or I have to go spend all this money on organic food or all these supplements and things. Guys, if you're not healthy, what else matters, right? A sick person wants one thing. All of us that are healthy, we want lots of things, right? We have wishes. I want, these financial things. I want these rollerblades. I want this motorcycle, I want to go on this vacation, whatever it is for you, we all have wishes and wants. Healthy people have hundreds, if not thousands of wishes. What do you think a sick person wants? Right? Think of Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs, how much was he worth before he passed away? I think it was like 7 billion, something like that. I don't know the exact number. He couldn't take that with him, right? Would anybody trade Steve Jobs right now? Would anybody trade his life for that $7 billion? But he passed away. Your health is the number one thing you need to focus on. Your health is the number one thing you need to study to get better at. The number one thing you need to move more and cause pain by exercising and pushing through a workout, buying the yucky vegetables, the cucumbers. Guys, your body is number one, because if my body's not healthy, if I don't take care of number one, how am I going to take care of my kids? How am I going to take care of, the 50 patients we see every day? Those things are not selfish. Taking care of your body, going to the gym, eating healthy, spending money on our health care, on our optimization health care, not our crisis care, should be our number one priority. You can't enjoy your finances. I can't enjoy my vacations or hobbies. I don't have energy to hang out with my wife or my kids, right? I know a lot of people that think it's kind of selfish to, go spend time on themselves, and that's ridiculous. Again, how am I going to serve you, our patients, my family? How am I going to serve the world if I don't feel good, right? If I'm sick? Again, you can't take that $7 billion with you. So our number one priority, and your priority should be as well, to take care of this human body. We get one chance with it. This is your vehicle to experience the world. Am I going to experience the world better if I'm healthier and full of energy and I'm sleeping good? Or if I'm sick, tired, run down, go to my job, go to bed right when I get home? That's not very fulfilling, guys. So take care of number one. It's the only body we have, and you can't take care of everybody around you if that gets sick or gets tired or lazy. Thank you.